Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to episode 1 of my 1983 El Camino restoration series. I actually picked this up a couple months ago, and I was planning on making a full YouTube series documenting my progress in restoring this car, but I kind of had some other things get in the way, so I haven't been making any videos, and I've made a little bit of progress already, but I'll try and fill you in on that, guys. I just wanted to make this first video. I want to do a quick walk around, show you guys what I'm working with here, start it up for you, and then talk about what I want to do with this car and where I want to go with it. All right, there she is, guys. I'll pop open the hood for you in a second here, but this is going to be a project. I've already got it running and driving. Like I said, I've done a little bit. I've made a little bit of progress on it, but I mean, if you just look at the interior, this is probably the worst of it right here. It's not too great. No carpet, no headliner. Seats they're comfy, but they're a bit rough. I actually have the instrument panel along with a bunch of other junk down here. It came with a couple of Flowmasters, but the car itself is actually straight piped. It's a pretty rough job under there. I'm gonna have to do my exhaust at some point. A little RPM gauge. I put that in when I was working on getting the engine tuned. It's got electric windows, which surprisingly work. But doors are in pretty rough shape on both sides. I think we're actually missing all the screws here, and the whole panels need some work. This window is good, but I think this one is off as well. It doesn't roll up and down quite right. It rolls up and down. It's just the window's kind of slanted, so I'll have to look at that. Obviously, the dash needs a ton of work. I think the first thing I'm going to be doing on this channel, I'm actually going to be pulling the dash out here in a little bit because I want to redo the dash. I'm probably going to try plexiglassing it. I've seen some people online doing that, so that'll be a fun little project. We'll see how that goes. All right, so let's see what we got under the hood here. We've got a nice little all right, there she is. So we've got a 350 V8 in here. It was in pretty rough shape when we got it. The guy, he put a bunch of new stuff on it, but he didn't really finish anything. He didn't have anything tuned. The timing was off. The spark plugs, I think he gave up on trying to put the spark plugs in because he's got these headers on here. So all of the spark plugs were less than finger tight. I could wiggle them around in their sockets when we first got it. There was no coolant. The guy tried loading it up on our trailer without any coolant, so we actually had the headers glowing red, which was really fun. But I had to replace the spark plug wires because we burned through those as well at the same time. So it's been interesting, but the carburetor's all tuned now. Spark plugs are good. I added a breather on that side. We've got a PCV over here. Somebody really loud just drove by. Right now I've just kind of got it connected to a bottle over here, but I did have it actually connected to the carburetor. I just took it off. I was just messing around with some stuff, but I'll fire this up for you guys. I haven't started it in a few days, so we'll see how this goes. It usually starts really well, like surprisingly well, but we'll see how today goes. And there you have it. right, anyways, guys, that's going to be it for this episode. I just wanted to do a quick walk around, show you guys the car, start it up. Next episode, we're probably going to be jumping into restoring the dash because it's in rough shape. There's cracks everywhere. The thing's zip tied on right now, so I'm going to pull that off, do a custom fiberglass job on it. I've seen a couple of videos of other people doing it. It doesn't look too hard, so we'll see how it goes. I'm really excited for how this channel is going to go. It's going to be a big adventure. I've never done a restoration project like this. My first car was a 1986 Ford Bronco that had a carbureted V8 in it as well. But this is going to be a whole new experience for me. So I hope you guys are ready for an adventure because I am. Anyways, that's all for now, guys. See you in the next video.